Hello and welcome to How To For You. Today I'm going to show you a very important trick about when you're cleaning and detailing the inside of your car, and something that you should never do. So most cars will have this certain type of plastic here, and this plastic can easily scratch. Now it's a little difficult to show you, so I'm going to shine my light here and try to see if I can get you to see. It is a little bit better in the sunlight, but as you can see, there are these little tiny scratches and lines on this plastic. Now that has been the result of me, through error over the years, cleaning this plastic with like a paper cloth like this. Never ever clean this plastic in any car with any sorts of paper towels. Always use a microfiber towel, or I do have a different sort of tool here, and I can put a link in the description. This sort of really soft, delicate cleaning brush. So you want to always clean the inside of your car with something like this brush here. Otherwise, it does scratch. And again, I have scratches here, but there are these fine scratches. Like, see, there's one kind of right down there in the center. Again, that is from over time using anything but a microfiber towel or a specific sort of soft, delicate sort of brush like this. So always when cleaning the inside of your dash, only use these kinds of materials, or else you'll severely scratch them. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.